Even though Eudora came back to Mississippi from New York for her father's death initially, she eventually just moved back here and lived in this house for the rest of her life. And to aid in their grieving process, her and her mother built and maintained this beautiful garden out back. Now, in our next story, we visit with another lady who came back home to Mississippi from New York and built a different kind of garden. Let's talk to Dr. Cindy Ayers-Elliott at Footprint Farms.
This is called dinosaur kale, and it's a dinosaur kale because of how it feels, the bumpiness and the roughness of it. People who said, I don't eat kale, well, they've never had this type of kale before. So now they're in line. Well, the beautiful part about Footprint Farms is that we are farm fresh and city sweet. People don't realize that we are an urban farm. Even though we're 68 acres large in farming, we are considered an urban farm because we're inside the city. So you don't have to be 100, 1,000 acre, or even 68 acre to be a farmer or to be a healthy grower of food for your community and for yourself.
The more we did it, the more the vision came, the more we could see that why not here? Why not Jackson? Everybody, has seen a farm, they've seen animals, but you'd be surprised the amount of people here in the city who's never seen a cow up close or a goat up close, or to even know that something like this could exist in the city.
Footprint Farms was established in 2010. For me, it was my first adventure into agriculture. Before that, I was an investment banker out of New York. So becoming a farmer was not in my daily plans. But right now, one of the best things I've ever done is to be able to work the land, to take care of the soil and the earth. Black farmers in America has lost so much land. It was because of things that was put in place. These are intentional ways of life. That's not just in Mississippi that was done, but all over the country, where a lot of black farmers lost their land. And one of the things that we're looking to do is to help to change that plight by policies and implementation of fair policies. But as a black farmer, as a woman, as a black woman in the state of Mississippi, in an arena that's traditionally a white business, is different for all of us. But there are opportunities, and there's a lot of great farmers out there that look like me. Well, Footprint Farms is known for a couple of things, but one of the most important things we want people to know is that we do more than just plant seeds in the soil. We also plant seeds in the minds to see what could happen, what if you decide to become a farmer or to work the land, and the activities you could do within your community.
Well, I actually got my start here at the farm back in 2016. Footprint Farms is all about planting seeds in the mind, and so I was one of the ones who the seed was planted in the mind at an early age when I was a student at Tougaloo College. And so after leaving and coming back to the state, I reached out to Dr. Ayers, and I was granted the opportunity to come out and actually, help and to give back to the community and stuff of that nature.
We want everyone to understand the importance of eating healthy, to grow some of your own foods. Take some of your flower beds, grow some greens, or to look at doing new way of growing, water-based, for urban areas especially. So this is aeroponics. This is water-based growing. This is one of the ways that I'm trying to bring new agricultural technology and techniques to our city and to our state. We actually did a seed into this just like we would do in the soil, but this is called rock wool. And all this lettuce will be grown in nothing but water in our towers. So we seed this and grow it, and then we insert it into the water towers. And during that time, it actually will grow faster than any soil base that we have. And you can grow year round. You can grow this in your house. You don't have to have a backyard or front yard or stoop. You can just put it in your kitchen and have fresh food.
Well, actually, right now I'm studying at Mississippi State. I'm getting a PhD in ag science and extensions. And so my goal is to do something very similar to what Dr. Ayers is doing, but actually down in the Delta area, an area where food desert is like really big.
Well, this is part of our CSA, our Community Supported Ag, and actually we're getting this ready for one of our churches, Mount Helm Church, for this week.
I think Dr. Ayers probably knew me before I was born. She's known our family for a very long time. And I reached out to her about 2 months ago when we decided to pay for this amount of food. And I wanted to support someone who I knew, someone who was local. She's a Black owned farm person. So we're thankful and excited about the partnership and look forward to future opportunities.
We actually will be distributing free to the community 300 boxes, and this will consist of local foods that we grow, but also we bring in different foods for fruits and different types of food to be inside of our boxes. Every Saturday in the month of May for this year, and hopefully next year we'll be doing some of the same things, or even next month with some of the other churches around the community. This is another way that we can help provide the necessary and needed food to the community. Well, we do different markets. For instance, every Saturday, Footprint Farms is located downtown at the Mississippi Farmers Market. We're there every Saturday and have been for the last 5 years, even during COVID, to make sure we're shoring up to give access to people who want to eat healthier and to be able to buy our products. We also do this new market that we just started this year. Here, every third Saturday of the month, we do the Magnolia Sunset Market from 4 o'clock until 7. We bring in different vendors, home-based vendors, a lot of women that now have their own business, and we create a place that they can actually market their goods. And we invite people to come out. We have restaurants. We partner with the city, with Visit Jackson. We invite families to come out. We said, bring the kids. We have plenty of space for them to be able to play, but to see nature and to see some of the things that we do here at Footprint Farms. It's important for me to be from Mississippi. I'm very proud of who I am, where I'm from, and what I will be. And to let everyone know is that it's not what they call you, but it's what you answer to. And for me, I'm answering to farmer, Mississippian, and a very proud person with a great family and great roots right here in my city of Jackson and right here in my state of Mississippi.
Thanks for joining us. If you like what you see, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting. Till next time, I'll be seeing you on Mississippi Roads.